Hi guys, it's Ivan Trace. I hope everybody's doing well. I wanted to make a quick trade recap on the trade which I took today. So today we are on Monday, a new day of the week on January 25. So what we are looking at right now is the trade which I took on the Euro USD. It was a sell trade, and essentially what I was looking for was uh, how the price was reacting off of the previous week's range. So far on the hourly time frame, we were very bullish, as we will see, and the trade which I took was a counter trend trade, so that is why it was a very low risk to reward, as well as it was in a very rangy market conditions. So what I was looking for is how the price was reacting after completing this market make buy model to the upside, which I did not catch. It happened in the London session, early London session, and the price just pushed to the upside, formed a divergence with GBQSD because the price fell to the previous week's high for it. Price opened in the new week right here and tested the 4-hour imbalance right here. As you can see, this 4-hour imbalance was where we could capitalize on a proper push to the upside, because you can see it is in the discount the previous day's range, and I was anticipating some kind of deeper pullback before a push to the upside, and unfortunately I did not get that, so I did not try to go long during the London session, even though it could be a very nice clean price action. But there was a visible SMT on these lows right here. Also, on seeing this pullback right here, on this I caught this pullback, and the reason being that the price was reacting off of the early week's range right here to the left side on our hourly time frame. You can see that the price was reacting off of this hourly candle. This hourly candle was formed at 7 p.m. So the first candle which rejected this range was at 7 a.m. So I was anticipating some kind of reversal to the downside, at least to reach the new week opening gap, which is right here, and specifically the low, which is right here, which is I think the monthly open. And then when the price swept this previous week's low right here, and the high which was right here, which is previous week's early week's high, we dropped to the lower time frames to confirm that a smart money reversal was in to capitalize on a possible sell opportunity. So of course, a possible sell opportunity presented itself after this intermediate term low was displaced through to the downside, but still there was no kind of high time frame, a low time frame SMT. So the only high time frame SMT was the SMT on the 4-hour time frame. If you see closely, the Euro USD was super extended to the upside compared to GBP USD, because if you look at the GBP USD, you will see that this exact same high right here have not even been reached. So it was logical to expect some kind of pullback here, or as a clear higher time frame SMT divergence. So that was my high time frame SMT. Also, the London highs were already swept, and price did not stay there for a long time. So that was why I was anticipating some kind of a pullback, at least to the premium, to the midpoint of the previous day's range, which is right here below, right here. So after seeing that, we still have a momentum which could push to the downside, but I'm not still in a trade. I closed it on a 1-to-1 RR because price was rejecting off of this new week opening gap right here, which you could see in the trade which I took. So after seeing that intermediate time low being displaced through, I set a limit on the retest of the intermediate time low right here, and stop a little bit above this high because it is the only protected high which I could see. So, and I was targeting a little bit this high right here, which is a little bit above the monthly open. Yeah, so the trade took a lot of time to play out, but you can see that at least we reached the, if you see the range from which we are operating in, which was the London's range, you can see that we reached at least the half of the London's range. So that was the primary objective. You can see this weekly open where we opened, that was my draw one liquidity which could still be reached, but I exited prematurely due to the rejection of the new week opening gap, which could be fatal if you hold on the trade too much. So the only rule I broke for myself is that I did not use set and forget, but yeah, shit happens, so you have to always go with the flow and adjust your strategies as you go. So thank you for sticking to the end. If you have not yet joined the free Telegram channel, for where I post different updates on my trades and other self-help and insight, you might as well consider joining it. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to not miss out on any other information and grow with me on this journey of day trading. So thank you. I will see you in the next one.